In this video, I'll show you how to print a web page in Safari. I will be demonstrating this on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is tap on the Safari app on your iPhone to open it. And the next thing you do is go to the web page that you want to print. Now I've just gone to apple.com, so we'll go ahead and use this as the example. So the next thing you will do is go ahead and select the share button down here at the bottom. Or if your browser window is at the top where you type in your address, just tap on this button here. Once you tap on that share button, you're then going to see an option here and go ahead and scroll down until you see print. Go ahead and tap on print. And once you select print, you're going to go ahead and see that there's an option to select your specific printer. Now make sure that the printer is on the same Wi-Fi connection as your iPhone device. Okay, and then go ahead and find that printer. Go ahead and select the printer, and then now you can press this print button right here. Or you can make modifications to the web pages to make sure, if you want to just print part of that page, that all of them don't get printed. Once you tap on print, it'll go ahead and print those pages for you. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.